Hello student, my name is Abhishek Kumar Mishra and I am here to represent the class 9th chemistry syllabus of board CBSE. First of all, we talk about the how much chapter is present in the chemistry. There are 4 chapters. First chapter is matter in our surrounding. Second chapter is matter around us pure. Third chapter is atoms and molecule, and fourth chapter is structure of atom. There are 4 chapters in a chemistry of class 9. In this video we will discuss all the syllabus and topic which we are study in each of the chapter. Okay, the first chapter in chemistry is matter in our surrounding. We will discuss detail about the syllabus of the matter in our surrounding. In this chapter we will talk about what is matter. We will talk about what is matter, and then after we will talk about the physical state of matter. What is the physical nature of matter? In this video we will talk about the syllabus. The first topic is what is the physical nature of matter. In this topic we will study the properties of physical properties of the matter. Physical properties of matter. First topic will be the physical nature of matter. In this topic we will discuss the physical property of matter. Then after we will discuss the another topic known as the characteristics of particles of matter. Okay, characteristics of particle of matter. In this topic we will study the nature of particles. Then after we will discuss about the state of matter. In this topic we will study the state of matters मीन्स पर्टिकुलर हम इस टॉपिक के अंदर फिजिकल स्टेट ऑफ मैटर के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. व्हाट इज द फिजिकल स्टेट ऑफ मैटर, एंड देन आफ्टर वी विल डिस्कस द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ ईच ऑफ द स्टेट. We will discuss the properties of each of the physical state of matter. After this we will study how the matter can be interconverted, means the interconversion of the physical state or state of matter from one form to the another form, and the factor which affect these interconversion. Means after this we will study the interconversion of the state of matter and the factors which affect. मतलब यह है कि जो आपका अगला टॉपिक होगा उसके बाद से होगा इंटर कन्वर्जन ऑफ द फिजिकल स्टेट ऑफ मैटर एंड द फैक्टर विच affect for the interconversion of one state of the matter to the another state of the matter. After study this topic we will proceed toward the evaporation process. It is a very important process in which the liquid is converted into the vapor under the boiling point. ठीक है, तो in this after this we will discuss the evaporation process and the factors which affect this process. ठीक है, मतलब यह है कि पर्टिकुलर आप इसके बाद से पढ़ोगे इवापोरेशन एंड द फैक्टर विच अफेक्ट द प्रोसेस विच अफेक्ट दिस प्रोसेस. तो ये आपका लास्ट टॉपिक होगा इस चैप्टर का. तो पर्टिकुलर हम लोगों ने क्या देखा, हम लोगों ने देखा है कि जो आपका पहला चैप्टर होगा मैटर इन आवर सराउंडिंग, मैटर इन आवर सराउंडिंग में आपको पढ़ना है फिजिकल स्टेट ऑफ मैटर, ठीक है। मीन्स इन दिस वीडियो इन दिस टॉपिक वी विल डिसाइड द व्हाट आर द फिजिकल स्टेट ऑफ मैटर अकॉर्डिंग टू द फिजिकल अपीयरेंस ऑफ मैटर। मैटर इज फर्दर क्लासिफाइड इनटू द सॉलिड, लिक्विड एंड गैस, ओके। Therefore, in this topic we will discuss the physical state of matter and their properties, how the solid different from the liquid, and what are the properties responsible that it make a difference between the solid, liquid and gas, okay. Then after we will discuss the characteristics of the particles of the matter. In this video, in this particular topic we will discuss about the nature of the particle and what are the properties of the particle, okay. Means particle means the atom. And then after we will discuss the state of matter, okay. In this topic we will study the physical state of matter. According to the physical state of matter is further classified into the solid, liquid and gas. And then after we will discuss its properties, each of the means solid, we will discuss the properties of the solid, we will discuss the properties of liquid, and after this we will discuss the properties of the gas also. And then after we will discuss the interconversion of the physical state of matter, means we will study how the solid can be converted into the liquid and liquid converted into the solid. In another topic we will also discuss how the solid is directly converted into the gas, and what are the factors which are responsible for the interconversion of one state to the another state. In detail we will study in this topic. Then after we will discuss another important process known as evaporation, and also we will study the what are the factors which affect the process of evaporation. In this video in this chapter we will also discuss the process of diffusion also. Second chapter of the class 9th CBSE chemistry is matter. Around us pure, okay. It is also a very important chapter because in this chapter we will study about what is mixture and the type of mixture. After this we will study in another important topic, solution, and its another important topic is the solution and its property, okay. Then after we will discuss how the solution, how can we express the concentration of solution. The another topic is the concentration of the solution, okay. In this topic we will discuss how the concentration of the solution can be expressed. It is in this topic we will discuss about the mass by mass percentage, volume by volume percentage, mass by volume percentage, okay. Then after we will discuss what is suspension. It is another type of the mixture, okay. What is suspension and its properties. After this we will discuss another very important topic known as colloidal solution and its property. After the study of the colloidal solution and its property, we proceed toward another topic. This is the very important topic regarding to the separation of the mixture, means separation of the components present in a given mixture. How can we separate the different component present in a given mixture? So in this topic we will discuss the separation or separating the components of a separating the components of the mixture and their and their application. Okay, then after we will proceed toward the physical and chemical change, because in the universe there is only two types of changes. One is a physical change and another is a chemical change. So in this topic we will study the what is the physical change and what is the chemical change. And the last topic of this chapter is a types of pure substance. Means pure substance is of two types. In the universe there is a pure substance is of two types. One is the elements and another is a compound. Therefore in this topic we will discuss about the types of pure substance and also we will discuss its properties. Okay, again we will proceed toward this chapter. What topic we will study in this chapter? The second chapter of class 9th CBSE chemistry is matter around us pure. This chapter is consist of the following topics. First topic is a mixture and the types of mixture. In this topic we will study about what is mixture and how the mixture can be divided into a different types. Okay, and the mixture can be divided into a different type depend upon their properties. Then after we will discuss about the solution. Okay, then after we will discuss about the solution, what is solution and what are the properties of the solution. Means what are the properties which are very essential for the solution. Okay, after the solution we will study the concentration of the solution. How can we express the concentration term of the solution? Means how can we express the quantity of the solute present in a given solvent. Then after we will discuss about the another type of mixture known as suspension. And in this topic we also discuss about the properties of the suspension. After this we will discuss the another type of mixture known as a colloidal solution. It is also a type of solution, but in the colloidal solution there are two phases are present. One is a disperse phase and another is a disperse medium. So in this topic we will discuss about the colloidal solution and what are the colloidal solution and what are the properties responsible for the colloidal solution. Okay, after the solution we will study how the components present in a given solution can be separated from each other. Okay, and there also and in this topic we also study the application of these separation application of these properties. Okay, after this we will discuss about the physical and chemical change. What are the physical and chemical change? Because in the whole universe there is only two types of the change can occur. One is a physical and another is a chemical change. Physical change means the change in which the chemical composition of the component cannot be disturbed, and in the chemical change the chemical composition of the component can be disturbed. Okay, then after we will proceed toward the types of the pure substance. The pure substance in the universe is only two types. One is an element and another is a compound. Okay, and in this video we will in this topic we will also discuss the properties of the element and the compound. Okay, third chapter is an atom and molecule. This is a very important chapter, because in this chapter we will study what is atom and what is molecule, and we will also discuss some atomic model, and we will also discuss what is the atom, what is molecule, what is ion, and how the elements can be represented by the different symbol. Okay, so this topic is this chapter is consist of the following important topic. The first topic is the law of chemical combination. Law of chemical combination. This law of chemical combination is further divided into two laws. In this topic we will discuss two important laws. Law of conservation of mass. Law of conservation of mass means mass can neither be created nor be destroyed. It can be converted from one form to the another form. In detail we will discuss what is the law of conservation of mass. Then after we will discuss law of constant law of constant proportions. Okay. After discussing the law of chemical combination, we will proceed toward the Dalton's atomic model. Dalton's atomic model. It is the first model which is used to describe the atomic model. Then after we will proceed toward the atom and its properties. Means in this video, in this topic we will discuss what is atom and what are the properties of the atom. What are the properties of the atom. After discussing the atom, we will proceed toward the symbol. Okay, we will proceed toward the symbols of the element. Okay, in this topic we will discuss about how the atoms of the given element can be represented by the symbols. Okay, after this we will discuss about what is the atomic mass. Okay, atomic mass, what is atomic mass. After completing the atomic mass, we will proceed toward the molecules. Okay, in this topic we will discuss what are the molecules and how the molecules, and we will discuss what are the molecules, and we will discuss molecules of the element and molecules of the compound. हम particular यहाँ पे हम molecules of element के बारे में देखेंगे. Molecules, element के molecules कैसे होते हैं, क्या होता है element के molecule, and then after we will proceed toward the molecules of compound. Okay, then after we will proceed toward the molecules of compound. आफ्टर स्टडी द मॉलिक्यूल्स इन एलिमेंट्स एंड कंपाउंड. देखो इसमें क्या है, एलिमेंट में जो होंगे वो होमो डायटोमिक हो सकते हैं. होमो होंगे मतलब एक ही जैसे एटम एक दूसरे के साथ कंबाइन करके मॉलिक्यूल का फॉर्मेशन करेंगे. और मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ कंपाउंड में 2 या मोर देन 2 एटम्स मतलब 2 या 2 से ज़्यादा एटम्स, डिफरेंट एटम एक दूसरे के साथ कंबाइन करके ये कंपाउंड के मॉलिक्यूल का फॉर्मेशन करते हैं. ठीक है, तो ये हमेशा हेट्रो डायटोमिक हो सकता है, हेट्रो ट्राइएटोमिक हो सकता है. बट इन द केस ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ एटम ये हमेशा होमो होंगे मतलब एक ही जैसे एटम एक दूसरे के साथ कंबाइन करके एलिमेंट का फॉर्मेशन करेंगे. जैसे आप लोगों ने पढ़ा होगा H2, ये आपका क्या है, ये मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ द एटम है. ठीक है, मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ द एलिमेंट है. देन आफ्टर वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द जैसे आपका हो गया ऑक्सीजन, ये भी हो गया. और उसके बाद से मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ द कंपाउंड के बारे में आप डिस्कस करोगे, सच एज द मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ द कंपाउंड इज H2O. ठीक है, वाटर का आप क्या है, इट इज़ अ कंपाउंड बिकॉज इट इज़ मेड बाय द कम्बिनेशन ऑफ 2 और मोर देन 2 एटम्स. मीन्स यहाँ पे आपको हाइड्रोजन और ऑक्सीजन दोनों मिल रहा है. ठीक है, वी विल स्टडी इन डिटेल इन द अनदर वीडियो. देन आफ्टर वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट व्हाट इज आयंस. Okay, ions means ions is also a cation and anion. Okay, cation are the positively charged particle and ions are the negatively charged particle. Then after we will discuss about how can we write the chemical formula of a given compound. Okay, how can we write the chemical formula of a given compound. How can we write the chemical formula of the given compound. It is a very important topic. ठीक है, in this video, in this topic we will study how the chemical formula of the compound can be written. And then the last topic of this chapter is a molecular mass and mole concept. Mole concept is a very important topic. It is the most important topic of this chapter. Okay, mole concept is a very important topic. Okay, in this again we will want to discuss what are the topics in the atoms and molecules. Atom and molecules is consist of the following topics, and in this chapter we will discuss all these topics in detail. First is a law of chemical combination. Second is the law of chemical combination is consist of the further two topics, law of conservation of mass and law of constant proportion. Then after we will proceed toward the atomic model, Dalton atomic model, and after discussing the Dalton atomic model we will proceed toward the atoms and its property. Okay, in this topic we will discuss what is atom, and also we will discuss what are the properties of the atom. After this we will discuss the symbols of the each element. हमको यहाँ पे क्या पढ़ना है, हम पर्टिकुलर जो भी एलिमेंट पढ़ेंगे उसको किस तरीके से उसके एटॉमिक सिंबल को यहाँ पे हम दिखा सकते हैं उसके बारे में पढ़ेंगे. Then we will proceed toward the atomic mass. What is atomic mass? And after discussing the atomic mass we will proceed toward the molecules. Okay, in the molecules we will study the molecules of element and molecules of compound. Okay, then after discussing the molecules of element and molecules of compound we will proceed toward the ions. Ions means the cation and anion. Cation are the positively charged particle, anion are the negatively charged particle. And after this we will discuss about the how can we write the chemical formula of a given compound. Okay, compound may be a ionic or covalent. So how can we write the formula of a given compound? In this topic we will study in detail how can we write the given formula of the compound. Okay, then after we will proceed toward the molecular mass and mole concept. It is a very important topic, and in detail we will study what is the mole concept, and it is very important according to their board examination, and then after it is also very important for their competition point of view. Okay, structure of atoms. Okay, in this chapter we will discuss about the whole structure of atom. How can we define the structure of an atom, and what are the models which used to describe the structure of atom. Okay, first topic we will study in this chapter will be the charged particles in matter. First topic is the charged particle in matter, means the matter is consist of the charged particle, means the cation and anion, positively charged particle and negatively charged particle. Okay, after the discussing the charged particle present in the matter, we will proceed toward the structure of atom and different model which used to describe the structure of atom. The second topic is the structure of atoms. Second topic is the structure of atom. In this topic we will study the different model which is proposed to describe the structure of atom. First model is a Thomson atomic model. Thomson's model of atom. Second is a Rutherford's model of atom. Okay, then after we will proceed toward the Bohr's model of atom. These are the three important model which is used to describe the atomic model. In this chapter, in this topic we will study the points or postulates of the different atomic model, and we will also discuss their drawbacks also. Okay, after this we will proceed toward the neutrons. What is neutron? It is also a subatomic particle which is present in the nucleus of an atom. Okay, after discussing the neutron, we will discuss the how the electron is distributed in a different orbitals also. After this we will proceed toward the how the electron distributed in different orbitals. Okay, in this topic we will discuss how the electron is distributed in a different orbital. Okay, after this we will proceed toward the valency. What is the valency of an atom? Each and every atom having a definite valency, and according to their valency the atom can combine with another atom, okay, and the valency is able to describe what is metal, what is non-metal, and what is metalloid, okay. After this we will proceed toward the atomic and mass number, okay. Proceed toward the atomic and mass number. What is the atomic number, what is mass number, okay. After discussing the atomic mass and atomic number, the new concept of isotopes is arrived, and in this topic we will discuss what is isotopes and its property, and then after we will discuss about isobars. Okay. Okay, in this chapter we will discuss the following important topics. First is the charge particle of matter. Second is the structure of atom, okay. Third, in the structure of atom we will study the different atomic model. First is the Thomson model of an atom, then after we will discuss the Rutherford model of an atom, and last we discuss the Bohr atomic model, okay. In this topic we will study the postulates, the important points of this model along their drawbacks. After this we will proceed toward the neutrons. It is also a subatomic particle which is present in the nucleus of an atom, and it is a neutral. How the neutron are discovered and what are the property of the neutron we will discuss in this topic. Then after we will proceed toward the how the electron is distributed in a different orbital. Means after discussing the atomic model we will discuss how the electron is present around the nucleus of an atom in a different energy level, okay. Then after we will discuss about the valency, what is the valency of an atom, and after the valency the term atomic and mass number is arrived. We will study in detail what is atomic number, what is mass number, and the numerical based upon this topic, okay. Then after we will discuss about the what is isotopes and its property and what. Thank you for watching this video.